YouTube channel. I'm some girl, as you know guys, Itshwala. So today I decided to take you guys back to Zimbabwe. For those of you who've never been to Zimbabwe, it's okay guys, I can just show you what we eat in Zimbabwe. Yes, so here I'm going to be showing you guys how to make our staple food and something else. All right, so what you will need guys, this is mealie meal, all right, maize meal, yeah, mealie meal. In the valley we call it impupu, all right, impupu. I don't know what it's called in Shona, I'm not very, yes, but yeah, this is vegetables, green vegetables. It's called rape or rep, I'm not sure, but yeah, that's what it's called. You can use chomoli, it's just that in Botswana it's so hard to find, but that's what we eat in Zimbabwe, chomoli, all right. And then we have okra. This is okra guys, it's actually called delele, yeah. And then we have our tomatoes and then our onions, right? So for our delele we'll need this bicarbonate of soda. This is bicarbonate of soda, and then salt as well, and a tablespoon. Yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to cook delele. I know that a lot of you young people don't know how to do delele, and when you go back home, your grandmothers will be like, ah, yo, what do you learn that side? So yeah, guys, let's get to it. Yes guys, so I already have my beef. This is my beef. It's boiling, it's almost done. Yeah, I boiled it in oil, just a little bit of oil and water and salt as well, right? It's almost done. So here, this is my water for delele. Yeah, this is what we're going to be using, this water. This is my water for pap. It has to boil as well. Itshwala, pap, yeah. Yes. So yeah guys, yeah guys, let's start with our delele. So you will need about a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. Just add it in there, yeah. And then you take your salt, a teaspoon again of salt, depending on how much delele you're going to cook, all right. And then yeah, that's it. And then you take your delele. This is actually frozen. We have chopped it and frozen it so that it doesn't rot, all right. So we're going to add it in there. And then take some of your tomatoes and then you add them in there, all right. So we're going to let this boil, cook, yeah. So as we're waiting for this to cook, our beef is getting ready as well. See, told you guys I already added oil, so it's cooking, yeah. Yes guys, our beef is done boiling, so I'm going to add in a little bit of the oil, alright. So this is what we'll have. To leave this and allow it to brown a little bit, alright. Oh, before that guys, let me add in spicy chicken nuggets. Right, we're going to add this. Yeah, spicy chicken nuggets spice. Now we get in the onion. Guys, you see our delele is cooking. So this is when you take your tablespoon and you have to start beating it like this. Alright, you start beating it like this. Make sure you don't leave the stove because it's going to be a disaster. Alright, we ate the tomatoes as well. So guys, this is when you have to continue doing this. Alright. So you have to pour this out. Alright. So what you do is to go to your drainage and you just do this and remove these bubbles off. Alright. Okay, so let's put it back. See, the moment you put it back, it's going to start again cooking. I want to show you guys something. See, it's going to start cooking. It's like it's boiling. Alright, and then you see, I want you guys just to observe this. Just watch this. You see? It's almost filling up the pot. So what you have to do at this point in time, you take the pot out immediately before, because it's going to spill over, and then you come to your sink again. Just pour it out, all of this. Make sure you don't pour out the okra, just the liquid. Alright, then you put it back. So you do this until the delele is nice and thick. Alright, so yeah guys, we do the same process again. Yes guys, this is our beef now. So it's time for us to add in the vegetables. Yeah, so let me take them. This is our vegetables. We're going to add them, to be adding them bit by bit. It's amazing how this is going to shrink. You will see guys. Then you see, this is our delele. It's almost done, guys. See these black items. I don't know if you guys can see them. They have to be poured out, right? So let's do the process again. Remove these black things. See? Look at that. How it looks. See? See? Yaboo. 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 So it's almost done. Let's leave it here until it cooks for the last time. One last time. Then we're done. Yeah. So let's turn this over. See? told you to shrink. So this is when you have to turn the heat down and allow it to cook again. Close. Yes guys, the water is boiling as you can see. So now I'm going to use this thing. I don't know if you guys know what this is, but in my language it's called ophehlo, alright? You use it to mix in the pap for the porridge. I don't know what you call it. But yeah, let's go. Yes. I'm going to take in my meal, alright? Use something like this to be adding it in. Let me go with 2 of these. Then this is what you have to do. Make sure it's smooth, right? Make it smooth, 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 smooth. So once you've done this, you have to close and allow it to cook for about 20 minutes. Yeah. So guys, this is after 20 minutes. This is after 20 minutes and I have to keep on adding some meal, more meal to the porridge. See? This is my worst stage. I don't like this stage, but yeah. Guys, let's do this. Okay. So you can actually so you continue doing this. You mix it until it's, what can I say? I'll show you the yes, guys. Sure. I am so tired. Yes, guys. So let's wait for it to cook again. You know. Then you wonder again. So guys, this is when you have to reduce the heat. Yeah, and then you start dishing. You start putting your plate, and then you start dishing. Yeah. So guys, I'm finally done with our Zimbabwean meal. So yeah, let's dish. Guys, don't forget to leave down your comments and like my video if you haven't liked my video, and do subscribe to my channel. Yeah, so let's do this.
Chibuda munanga ukaverengera ndichapare maka ndicho chochimandara chandaireswana nacho kumakura pasi pemutamba daigaro mukumbira chibuda munanga ukaverengera ndichapare maka notatsane kundiparese sadza nemuriwo ndakapisa yese unotatsane kundiparese sadza nemuriwo ndakapisa yese taisa chisungo chochitangisa mutambo taisa mutengo werusambo taisa chisungo chochitangisa mutambo notatsane kundiparese sadza nemuriwo ndakapisa sadza nemuriwo ndakapisa yese
Itshwala and vegetables. See? So we actually had some remaining buff. Yeah. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, this is very yummy. Thank you. Bye.